Hello everybody, it's Joe from PrepAgent. I'm not wearing my normal hat, so I wanted to show this hat that I got yesterday. And it says brighter days ahead. Now, I'm not big on these memes you see on Instagram or whatnot for positivity, but this one struck me. So I wanted to get this hat that says brighter days ahead because I know things can get a little, negative. You read the news, you see about the environment, and all these things could really start to take effect on your psyche, especially as you guys are entering a business where you get a lot of naysayers. There's so many real estate agents out there. The market is this and the market is that. And it can get to be kind of a bummer. And it's hard to keep that positive energy. So when I see this saying brighter days are ahead, it struck me as I want you guys to know that you have a bright future. And why do I believe that? Well, it's pretty simple. It's because you're watching this video. Now, I'm not saying I'm some big egomaniac, so you watch this and millions will come. But the reality is, you're watching this video because you have goals and you want to do better. I'm not an Instagram model. I don't really share my personal life with everybody. Don't have political opinions on this page. And I don't really share pictures of nice, beautiful beaches or beautiful mountains on vacation. The only reason you guys are watching this video is because you have a goal of starting a career in real estate and you're sticking to that path. There's no other reason. I mean, my content may be good, but it's not fun or entertaining. It's there for the purpose of passing an exam and starting a career in real estate and achieving your goals. And that's why I'm confident that brighter days are ahead for you. Because if you're taking time to watch a video like this, you are setting a path to success. And that's honestly the hardest part. The hardest part is not working hard. The hardest part is when you feel lost, when you feel alone, sitting down, forming a plan, discovering what's best for you, and sticking to it. Once you find that path and are able to stick to it, working hard is the easy part. The hard part is when you feel lost, creating a plan that you believe has a path to success. So, don't worry if you're feeling lonely or down or kind of negative. As we said on the hat, brighter days are ahead, and you will be fine. Thanks. See you guys in the webinar.